Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update from Smoky Evening. Court refused to give NCB Bharti Singh's custody. Laughter queen of Indian television, Bharti Singh and her husband Harsh Limbachia are in great trouble currently. This couple, who were hosting the dance reality show India's Best Dancer together, are now under judicial custody. As NCB retrieved 86.5 grams of illegal stuff from the house and office of Bharti and Harsh, they were questioned by the NCB on Saturday. On Saturday, Bharti was arrested after 6 hours of questioning and Harsh was arrested after 12 long hours of questioning. On Sunday, Mumbai court has sent this couple to judicial custody of 14 days till 4th December. The court has not given the custody of Bharti and her husband neither to police nor to NCB. The court has explained that the amount of drugs retrieved from Bharti and Harsh's residence and office is very small. The amount is very less according to NDPS Act, and if compared with the amount of commercial use, any amount less than 1000 grams is considered as small quantity as per NDPS Act. The court has also added that as the illegal stuff was for personal use only, police custody is not needed in such circumstances. As the court has refused to give the custody of Bharti and Harsh to NCB, the government body has sought 2 days of custody. An NCB official has revealed that they have appealed for 2 days of custody of the couple for questioning. Bharti Singh has been sent to the Bhaikala jail of Mumbai, the same place where Rhea Chakrabarti was kept. On the other hand, husband of the comedian Harsh has been sent to Taloja jail. They want to ask the couple how they bought the stuff, from whom and how did they pay for the stuff. The couple has also appealed for bail and their bail will be heard soon at the court. Do you think court will grant her bail? Let us know in the comment section and subscribe to our channel for more updates from Bollywood.